Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Fargo, and in honor of National Chiropractic Month, I want to tell you a little bit of a story about how I chose to become a chiropractor. It goes back to the 1970s. I was always very interested in natural health care and nutrition, and actually I became very ill in the mid-70s from traveling in Mexico and Guatemala. It's a long story, but I was pretty much close to dead, and was talking to the doctor in the hospital about what I could do for myself, and it was a liver disease because I had hepatitis. He says, well, son, diet has nothing whatever to do with it. And I thought that was completely ridiculous, and so I went and saw an acupuncturist and an herbalist and did all of this alternative healthcare stuff, and it really changed my mind about what I thought needed to be done not only for me but for other people. And I started exploring nutrition, and then I had basically an epiphany, kind of an aha moment in the late 70s, wherein a very dear friend of mine, we were talking about what she was going to do the next day, and she said she was going to go see her chiropractor. And she looked at me and she said, you know, you would make a great chiropractor. And literally, I'd never been to one before. I knew almost nothing about it. At that moment, I decided that that's what I was going to do. I went to the chiropractic college at that time it was St. Paul, and met with the admissions people and decided that that's what I was going to do. So for me, I think that it's a matter of doing what I can to help people create a high level of health throughout their whole lives so that they never have to become a medical statistic, so they never have to talk about heart disease, cancer, diabetes, or a host of other things, because if we can teach you how to move well and eat well and think well, you're going to stay healthy. And on that point, that's why I try to eat a good diet every day. That's why I, in addition to that, get adjusted on certainly more than a weekly basis, because my goal is to try to maintain the highest level of functioning possible, because when that's happening, you have a potent immune system, your digestion works well, your reproductive system works well, your brain chemistry is on point, you're going to perform well, whether it's in athletics or in the yard or in the garden. So that's really the game. So our mission here is to educate people about wellness and inspire you to make the kind of lifestyle choices that are going to result in a lifetime of vibrant health. And so part of that is us setting a proper example for you. That's why I'm a chiropractor, and that's why I get adjusted.